Good morning, all of you. Is the voice is clear?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Last class we seen the fetch routine. I'm just revising this fetch. Fetch is nothing but when you want to read any instruction from memory, we'll use the fetch. Then we'll decode the instruction, then we'll update the PC. So initially PC contains the address of the first instruction that I have to transfer to AR. Then in AR contains the address. In that address, whatever instruction is present, instruction code that I have to transfer to data register. Is it okay? M of AR ante meaning ఏంటంటే in that memory location, in that ante the AR, whatever AR is nothing but some memory address, no? So in that address, whatever is there, instruction code that I have to transfer to DR. Then increment PC by 1. Yesterday I already said DR 0 to 10 transfer to AR and DR 11 to 14 transfer to car 2 to 5 and remaining 3 bits are 0. Okay. This is the symbolic microprogram. Fetch. So it is starting from 64 memory location. PC to AR. You jump next. Then read INC PC because here 2 micro operations there. 1, 2. Because of that read INC PC, you jump next. Next and next address of the microprogram. DRTAR, then U, then map. Map means you already know. 4-bit opcode you have to copy to the car register. And in car register MSB 6th position and 0 and first position bits has to be 0. So this is the binary program 64. Okay. And this is the operation. And now similarly, they written the program for this. So this is the partial symbolic microprogram. Okay. Here they given some instruction, but I will not see entire part, but I will see a few part. Okay. So first one is nothing but, so add. So add is nothing but one instruction. So for that also we required one micro program, which is start from 0. Is it okay? Origin 0. So in 0 memory location it is present. Okay. Now first what you are doing, NOP. That means you are not doing any operation. And I is nothing but, can anyone, what is I? I ante check cheyandi ikkada emundo. I is nothing but indirect address bit. Okay. That means you have to read the effective address. Read the effective address, call indirect. So we are going to indirect. Okay. So indirect. So where is indirect? Can anyone? Address is indirect. So directly we will go to indirect. Indirect lo first time undo chudandi. Read. Read means you have to read the whatever you have to read the whatever is there that you have to read. Okay. So this is indirect. Indirect is nothing but read means you will get the effective address. Okay. This is nothing but you jump next. Okay. Then next DRTAR. So can anyone, what is DRTAR? Chapandi. DRTAR. Yesterday I said no. So you see DRTAR is present in which one? So DRTAR, it is nothing but 101. So in data register, whatever content is present 0 to 10, that I have to transfer to AR. Okay, that is DRTAR. So whatever is there, DR, that I have to transfer to 0 to 10. Then you, unconditional jump. Then return. Return is nothing but, once again, you have to go back to where you stopped the program. For that memory location, you have to go. So we will go to the here. So once again, you will read. Okay, we will. You have to fetch another instruction from the memory. So like that you have to do. So this is called as the partial symbolic microprogram. Okay, like that all instructions are there. Okay, you try to go through that, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, and this is the binary microprogram. Binary ఎలా రాయాలో మీకు తెలిసింది కదా. NOP అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. One single instruction I will explain. NOP అంటే, can anyone, what is NOP? 000. Okay. So starting from 0th memory location, F1 is 000 and F2 is also 00. Now in this first 0th memory location, what is there? All operations are no operations. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then I ante enti CD lo chudandi I ante it is nothing but 0, 1. So 0, 1. Then call is nothing but 0, 1. You see the code there. Okay. Then address, because it is indirect, no? Indirect is nothing but the address is 14011. Is it okay? Now 14011. Okay. Oh, so 14011. Now you will go to here. Now here, what is the operation that I am doing? Read. So indirect, I am doing the read operation. ఎవరైనా చూసి చెప్పండి. Read belongs to which group? Read ఎక్కడుందో చెక్ చేయండి. So read is nothing but F2. F2 is 100. So read 00. F1 is 000 because no operation. Whereas F2 is 100 and F3 is 000 and CD is 00 and BR is 00 because here you already mentioned this is nothing but U jump. U jump ante 000. Okay. So 000. Next location is nothing but 1000100. So we'll come to this one, next instruction. Okay. And here, what is the operation check cheyamma? DRTAR. DRTAR ante meaning enti? You have to see this is in which group. So DRTAR is in F1 group and the code is 101. మీకు నిన్న కూడా చెప్పాను ఇదే ప్రాసెస్. So it is 101 and whereas it is F2 is 000, F3 is 000, CD is 00 and BR is 10. BR 10 ante return to which memory location? 0th memory location. Okay. So the address that you are going to, once again 0th memory location. Okay. So the next instruction that you have to execute. Okay. So this is the binary microprogram. Try to verify once. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Then next topic, last topic in your second unit, design of control unit. Now you have to design the control unit. Now can anyone, before going to this, some questions. If F1 is 3 bits, totally how many operations I can perform? Micro operations. If F1 is 3 bits, I can perform 2 power 3 micro operations. Ante I can perform 8 micro operations. But 000 means no operation. No? So sometimes I will say that it is 7 micro operations. Okay. Check cheyandi ikkada. All of you see this diagram. So F1 is decoded by using a 3 by 8 decoder. F2 is also decoded by 3 by 8 decoder. F3 is also decoded by 3 by 8 decoder. మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి అమ్మా, if it is F1 is 000, which output of the decoder will be active? ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి. So whenever F1 is 000, automatically 0th line will be active. 0th line is nothing but what operation? No operation. Is it okay? Suppose if F1 is 001, can anyone, what is the answer? మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఇవన్నీ చెక్ చేశారమ్మా, చదవాలి. ఓకే. F1 is 001 ఏంటి? యాడ్. F1 is 010 అంటే ఏంటి? క్లియర్ అక్యుములేటర్. సో ట్రై టు రిమెంబర్ దట్. So similarly 100, fourth one, that is nothing but DRTAC. So whatever is there in DR, I have to transfer to AC. Is it okay? Similarly, if I written only few lines, because if I draw all lines, then the diagram will be complicated. Okay. So only I written this 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually all the codes has different instructions. Okay. Only other than 0. Okay. Next. Anyone? 110. 6 ante meaning anti PC to AR. So whatever content is there in PC, I have to transfer to AR. Okay. Like that. Similarly, F2 కూడా ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా. F2, can anyone, F2 is 011. చెక్ చేసి చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటో. F2 is 011. That means what micro operation you are executing? We are executing the micro operation AND. Okay. When F2 is 011, we are executing the micro operation AND. Is it okay? When it is 000, no operation. Like that. Similarly in F3. Okay. Based on the code at the input of the decoder, so the output has to be a different instruction. Okay. Now what you are doing? Now see here, this, if you are doing the addition, so if you are doing the addition operation, what you are doing? So you are giving this addition instruction to arithmetic logic unit. Okay, arithmetic logic unit. And for this arithmetic logic shift unit, you are applying accumulator and data register. So what happens? It will perform addition and it will store that result in the accumulator by enabling the load signal. Are you understand what I'm saying? End operation means it require accumulator and data register. So it is doing operation between accumulator and DR, and I'm storing in accumulator final result by enabling the load. Enabling the load and meaning entry, load has to be 1. Is it okay? Load has to be 1. When load is 1, so this result will be stored in the accumulator. Okay. And a few more points are there. Can anyone, when F1 is 101, anyone, what is the answer? Chappandi. When F1 is 101, anyone? F1 101, which line will be active? 0 na, first, second, third, fifth. So when it is 101, the fifth line will be active. The fifth line is active. When I am writing the code here, it is 1, 0, 1. This is 1, okay. When it is 101, which line will be active? So fifth line will be active. So fifth line will be active. See here, this point, okay. I'm marking this. This line will be active. When this line is active, can anyone, active means what? This line will become 1. Is it okay? When you are applying 101, fifth line will be active. Fifth line is active means it is 1. And you are doing the operation is DR, TE, AR. That means whatever is there in DR, 0 to 10, that I am transferring to AR. Ikkada cheppandi value anta? For this AR gate, it is also 1. Whereas the sixth line will be, only fifth line is 1 and all remaining outputs are zeros. So sixth output is 0. Now AR gate, if the inputs are 1 and 0, what is the output? Evarani cheppandi? OR gate, if the inputs are 1 and 0, the output default, it has to be 1. So load become 1. Load become 1 and meaning entama. So we'll get the data from, we'll take the data from any register. Okay. Now you can check cheyandi. This is a multiplexer. If multiplexer has 2 inputs and 1 selection line, if the selection line is 1, which input will be selected? 0th input or first input? ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలమ్మా, ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఆన్సర్ చెప్తేనే తెలుస్తుంది. సో ఇఫ్ ద సెలెక్షన్ లైన్ ఈజ్ 1 and you have 2 inputs, 0th input and first input, when the selection line is 1, we will select the first input. So, and here also load is 1. So that means AR is ready to accept whatever information from any register. Okay. Now it is 1. So selection line is 1. So it will select the first line. So this DR data will be transferred to DR 0 to 10 data will be transferred to AR. Is it okay what I am saying? అందరికి అర్థమైందమ్మా? Once again, this point, whenever it is 101 F1, the fifth line will be active. Fifth line is active means it is 1 and all remaining outputs are 0. So fifth line, this is the fifth line output is 1 and this is 0. So OR gate output is 1. Whenever OR gate output is 1, so automatically the load input of AR is 1. That means it is ready to accept the information from any register. Now see here, here the selection line is 1. Whenever the selection line is 1 means it will select the first input line. And what is the first input line? DR 0 to 10. Now for the next clock cycle, transition, what happens? Whatever content which is present in DR 0 to 10 will be transferred to AR, address register. Why only 0 to 10 content is transferred to DR to AR? Because AR register is only 11-bit size and data register size is 16-bit, but you require only 11-bit. Okay. So similarly, Now assume that now I'll ask the question. Now the selection lines are 110. Can anyone which line is active? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా. So when it is 110, which line will be active? చెప్పండి రా. 110 is which line is active? The line is sixth line will be active. Sixth line is active ante meaning ante it is 1. Okay. And if sixth line is active, all the remaining outputs are zeros. Now see here for this OR gate, one input is 1, other input is 0. అర్థమైందా? Now OR gate, what are the inputs? This sixth line will be 1, whereas this fifth line will be 0. Because now we are taking the 110 as a opcode. 110 opcode means only sixth line is active and all remaining outputs of the decoder are 0. So sixth one is 1, fifth one is 0. So automatically output will be once again 1. 1 ante meaning enti? 1 ante the AR is ready to accept the information from any register. Now can anyone, what is the fifth line? Fifth line value ఏమని చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడే. Sixth line is 1. So default all outputs are zeros. So this fifth line has to be 0. When the selection line is 0 for multiplexer, which input line will be selected? So the input line, 0th input line will be selected. So 0th input line is nothing but is connected to which register? PC. Are you understand? Now this PC content will be transferred to AR register when the opcode is 110. Are you understand? So this is the operation of the design of control unit. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So what is the conclusion? F1, F2, F3 are the opcodes which are decoded by decoders, and based on the, suppose F2 is, assume that 000. When 000 means which line will be active? 0th line is 1 and all remaining outputs are zeros. That you have to remember. And arithmetic logic shift unit will do the AND operation, add, addition operation, all these operations. Okay. And final result will be stored in the accumulator by enabling the load signal. And whenever one line is active, so corresponding operation will do. Okay. So this is the design of control unit, first diagram. Okay. So this is called as the, so this diagram is nothing but decoding the, see what we are doing here, we are decoding the opcodes. Okay. So this is nothing but decoding of micro operation fields. So based on the opcode, we'll decide it is what type of instruction and what is the operation that you have to do. So this is nothing but decoding of micro operation fields. Now one more diagram is there, final diagram. This diagram you already know this. So one more diagram I will show here now. Let me see this diagram. Now this is the diagram I have to explain. Of you know the last diagram you'll see. This is the microprogram sequencer. You already know this. And once again, we are explaining this. Is the PPT is visible to you? కనపడుతుందా? PPT వస్తుందా? Okay, this is the last diagram. See, all of you see this diagram. This is the same diagram that you already explained address sequencing. Check చేయండి ఒకసారి diagram అందరం. This also requires 5 minutes time. So go through this. Can you explain any points? So this one is already explained. Microprogram sequencer, where I explained the address sequencing. Okay. Go through this diagram, all of you. All of you go through this diagram. All of you first you say what is control memory? Control memory. Karan Chapalamma, what is the control memory? Now unit is completed. So control memory. Are you getting my voice? What's the voice? So anyone, what is control memory? So these are the basic things that you already know this. Control memory contains the 128 control words. Okay. To access the 128 control words, you require the 7 address lines. And each control word contains 1 micro instruction. And each micro instruction size is 20 bits. Okay. Then car register. What is car register? Car register is nothing but contains the address of the micro instruction. Okay. Then control memory will, by using a control memory contains control words. Control word is nothing but micro instruction. By using micro instruction, we will initiate the micro operations. Then CD. Can anyone, what is CD? CD, BR, మీకు already తెలుసు. What is CD? CD is a 2-bit and BR is also 2-bit. Can anyone, when CD is 00, what is the operation that you will do? CD చెప్పండి, when CD is 00, it is nothing but unconditional branch. This one I already explained, okay? When CD is 01, when CD is 01, anyone what is the answer? When CD is 01, it is indirect address bit. Check చేసుకోండి, మీ దగ్గర PPT ఉంటుంది. Next 10, 10 అంటే ఏంటి? Sign bit of the accumulator. 11 అంటే zero value in accumulator. That CD field I already defined earlier, okay? Now see here, next BR. BR అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పండి. 00 అంటే is jump, 01 అంటే call, 10 అంటే return, 11 అంటే map, and remaining bits are nothing but address. Okay, this one I already explained to you. Now before going to the diagram, try to identify how many multiplexers are there in this. Check cheyandi, how many multiplexers are there in this diagram? How many multiplexers are there? In exam will ask, in microprogram sequencer contain how many number of multiplexers? So here one multiplexer and here is another multiplexer. And in last class I already said. So what are the 4 ways I said? See, whenever if you execute the call instruction, then you have to go for program 2. Before going to the program 2, after call instruction, whatever instruction is there, that instruction address I will store in the subroutine register. Then I will go to program 2, and program 2 I will complete it. Then once again, I will return back to main program. So this is nothing but, now see here, first you identify this is the one multiplexer. This multiplexer has 4 inputs, 0, 1, 2, 3. Selection lines are S1, S0. And 0th line ఏముందో check చేయండి. 0th line is nothing but just incrementing the car register by 1. That means you are not getting any branch instruction. And first line చూడండి. Now this first input line is connected to address which is present in the micro instruction. Okay. The next, second one. This second input line is connected to the subroutine register. That means you are coming from program 2 to main program. And this third input is nothing but by mapping. So we are calculating the address of the control memory. Okay. Then next, this is called as the input logic. So input logic, and this is where the given it is I, but it is I0 and it is I1. Is it okay? First one is I0, second one is I1, and this one is nothing but T, capital T. Then multiplexer 2. How many inputs are there? 4 inputs are there. So 2 selection lines you have to give. What are those 2 selection lines? Section CD are the 2 selection lines. Is it okay? CD are the 2 selection lines. Okay. This is one more selection line. This is multiplexer 2. So ఇప్పుడు operation చెప్పండి. When CD is 0, 0. Actually, what is the output when CD is 0, 0? When CD is 0, 0. So which line will be selected? Chappali. When CD is 0, 0, here you are getting 0, 0. 0, 0 ante 0th line will be selected. అదే 0, 1 అంటే ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఇక్కడ నంబరింగ్ వేయలేదు కానీ ఫస్ట్ ఇది 0, నెక్స్ట్ ఇది 1, నెక్స్ట్ 2, 3. Is it okay? So whenever it is 0, 0, we will select the 0th input line. What is the 0th input line value? Is 0th input line value is 1. So what is the output I will get here? Is 1. Is 1. Is it okay? So what is the selection lines? CD is 0, 0. When CD is 0, 0, CD, so CD 0, 0, we are selecting the 0th input line, that is nothing but 1. So the output of the multiplexer 2 is 1. Okay. Then next one check cheyandi. BR. BR is nothing but, you already know what is BR. BR is nothing but 0, 0. Anyone what is BR 0, 0? BR 0, 0 అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. BR 0, 0 is nothing but called as the what is BR 0, 0? BR 0, 0 చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఎవరన్నా. What is BR 0, 0? నేను చెప్పింది చదవట్లేదు. When CD is 0, 0, what is what? When CD is 0, 0, it is nothing but you are selecting the unconditional branch. Okay. When BR is 0, 0, anyone? So when BR is 0, 0, so see here, this line is 0, I1 is 0, and I1 is 0, and I0 is 0, and this test value is nothing but 1. This test value becomes 1. Is it okay? So now see here, this is the input logic, okay? And based on the outputs of the input logic, we will select the particular input of the multiplexer, okay? Now I will show this. Ikkada check cheyandi amma. They given already some values. When I1 is 0, check cheyandi diagram lo. When I1 is 0, I0 is 0, T is 0, what you are doing? Check cheyandi ikkada. I am doing car plus 1, okay? And the selection line has to be 0, 0, and L has to be 0. So check cheyandi. So when it is 0, 0, 1 unte ento cheppandi. When I1 is 0, I0 is 0, T is 1, then what is the selection lines? 0, 1. Okay. Now see here, I1 is 0, I0 is 0, t is 1. Mali check cheyandi. When I0 is 0, I1 is 0, t is 1, meaning is jump. When it is jump, what is S1 is 0? 0, 1. And L is 0. So this is what is the answer? 0. So what is S1? S1 is 0. S0 is 0. And what is the L value? L value, sorry, S1 is 0, S0 is 1. Okay. So S0 is 1. So this is 1. And L is 0. L is 0. So when the selection lines are 0, 1, which input line will be selected? Everyone cheppandamma. When the selection lines are 0, 1, the input line, see here, this first input line will be selected. So what is this first input line? Address. That address will be stored, that address will be transferred to car register in the next clock pulse. Are you understand? అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇంకోసారి వినండి. సో వన్ ఆపరేషన్ వెలిసాయి. ఫస్ట్ CD00 అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకోండి. CD00 అంటే అన్కండిషనల్ బ్రాంచ్. సో దిస్ సెలెక్షన్, this is 0. So unconditional branch. So output 0th line kabatti output is 1. Now test value is 1 and BR, assume BR is 0, 0. BR is 0, 0. So I0, 0, I1, 0, T is 1. Now see the table. When I1 is 0, I0 is 0, T is 1. The meaning is we are doing jump. Okay. For the S0 has to be 0, 1. So S1 enta 0 and this one is 1 and L is 0. So whenever it is a 0, 1, first input line will be selected. First input line is nothing but address. In the next clock pulse, this address will be transferred to car register. Is it okay? And one more combination will type. Okay. Next combination that we will try is nothing but I1, I0 is 1, 0. Okay. CD next. Anyone CD next comment? What is the, when CD is 1, 0? Anyone? What is the answer? When CD is 1, 0, what is the answer? CD 1, 0. If it is 1, 0 means which line will be selected? Sign bit will be selected. Are you understanding? If you want to understand this means you have to. So CD is 1, 0. So I am writing here. When CD is 1, 0, this is 1, 0. Whenever it is 1, 0, it will select the second input. Second input is nothing but sign bit. So we'll select the sign bit. Select the sign bit. Give the BR as any value. So BR table you all know. BR table 1, 0. You give BR as 1, 0. Okay. If you give BR as 1, 0, now assume that BR is 1, 0. See here. BR. This is nothing but BR is nothing but I0, I1. The same figure, whatever that figure is there now, that figure I am part of the figure here we drawn. Okay. Now assume that BR is 1, 0. Okay. That means I0 is I1 is 1 and I0 is 0. This is 0. This is 0 and this is 1. So I0 is 0 and I1 is 1 and assume that now, see here, when I1 is 1, I0 is 0, T may be any value, it may be 1 or 0. So try to remember at least, otherwise when I1 is 1, I0 is 0. What is the operation? Return operation. Okay, that you remember at least. And selection lines are, for the multiplexer 1 is 1, 0. When it is 1, 0, the selection line will be 1, 0. When it is 1, 0, can anyone, what is the output will be selected? Which output will be selected? If it is 1 and if it is S0 is 0, which line will be selected? Second input line. What is second input line? Subroutine register. So whatever content which is present in subroutine register will transfer to car register. So all of you verify this table. This is the input logic table, and based on that you try to verify this. Okay. If you have any confusion, try to ask. Okay. So remaining combination also you try it. Okay. Are you okay? Check చేయండి ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. So second unit completed, third unit will start from the next class. Go through the material. If you have any confusion, you try to ask. Okay. All of you verify this microprogram sequencer with the help of this input logic table. Okay. Okay, I'm closing the session. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. In the next class, try to go through this chapter. Then only it will be easy for your final lecture. Okay, I'm closing the session. So attend next class. Okay. Thank you.